Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today, we're gonna talk about something you've been asking me a lot. Why don't you do telekinesis in public? And today, we are gonna do telekinesis in public. But before that, let me talk a little bit about that. It's a very serious subject for me. Many years ago, I did telekinesis in public, and scientists of the government, they were very interested in that. So they invited me to show my abilities, and they tested me. They tested my brain, everything on me. In the beginning, it seemed legit. But then, when I wanted to leave, it wouldn't let me. Eventually, I had to leave. I had to escape. I had to run. And to make sure it's not gonna happen again, I had to leave my country, to leave my family behind. And I couldn't do telekinesis in public anymore. But then I realized it is very important for people to learn telekinesis. So I started this YouTube channel for you to learn. Because the more telekinesis is normalized, the more I can walk around freely. I don't have to hide anymore. That's why I don't do telekinesis in public. But you guys ask for it. So now I'm gonna do it. Just real quick. Nobody's gonna see. Okay. Let's do this.